Hi everyone, this is Wendy. Just a quick little share of a commissioned album I finished. Lady came in and she saw this one, which is based off of a tutorial by LMS Crafty Creations, her Gypsy Rose album. She liked kind of the style of some of the pages in that. And then she also liked this album, which I call Life Documented. And I think it's by the same person. It has these thicker pages, and it's more of a lay flat type album, and it has the fold outs and things like that. She liked this kind of vintagey type paper, and she loved the waterfalls. So she asked me if I could make an album that was kind of a combination of the two. I think I did, and I ended up pulling paper from 3 different paper stacks to complete it. There was a page from this Jen Hadfield Simple Life. There was a few pages from the Vintage Memories by Die Cuts with a View, and most of it came from this recollection one called Vintage Country. It has burlap sheets in the back, and I didn't use those, but and she sent me what her favorite papers were, so I pulled those out and used those first and just kind of supplement it. But it's a very simple album. It's a 9.5 by 7. It has waterfalls on the front and the back. The paper with the glitter is from that Vintage Memories paper. The other ones are from the last one. So I made the pages just like the Gypsy Rose, but I put a little twist on them. And then I put a pocket here, and I didn't even decorate the pocket because I wanted it as accents. And these are actually booklets, and I figured it out. This could hold up to 80 photographs with the way I have it here. These are large mats. They can hold a 5 by 7. So there's 4 photos right there. It could be 8 or any combination thereof. I think it turned out okay. I need to add the mat for that. The 2 outer ones had the fold-out pages, whereas the center one has the waterfall with the pocket. So I may leave that empty just so that she could tuck pictures and memorabilia in that. I did put cream on the back so that journaling can be done. Though on the large ones I did that all in cream. So, and this is the same. It's only 3 pages, but 70 to 80 photographs. I think that's a win. So that was a quick look at it, and like I said, I used from 3 different paper pads. Most of it was from the one, and I supplemented with from the other 2. So, and it was based on tutorials from LMS Crafty Creations, her Gypsy Rose album. She's a designer for Country Craft Creations. So there you go. Bye.